Building a PC? The case you choose is just as important as the components inside. A great PC case not only enhances airflow and cooling, but also adds style and functionality to your setup. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best PC cases to help you find the perfect one for your build. Stay tuned and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest deals. Let's get started. Number 5. Be Quiet Shadow Base 800FX. The Be Quiet Shadow Base 800FX is a high airflow mid-tower case designed for builders who demand excellent cooling, premium build quality, and stunning RGB lighting. Whether you're an enthusiast or a first-time PC builder, this case offers a perfect balance of performance and aesthetics. With its fully mesh front panel, the Shadow Base 800FX is built for maximum airflow, ensuring that your components stay cool even during intense gaming or heavy workloads. Pre-installed with 4 Lightwings 140 mAh RGBPWM fans, this case delivers both powerful cooling and vibrant lighting effects, fully customizable to match your setup. Inside, the spacious interior supports up to EATX motherboards, large GPUs up to 410 mm, and high-performance cooling solutions, including 420 mAh radiators. The tool-free design makes installation a breeze, while strategically placed cable management options keep your build clean and clutter-free. The tempered glass side panel showcases your hardware in style, and with a RGB lighting synchronization, you can personalize the look to your preference. Be Quiet has also ensured that noise levels remain low, with optimized airflow paths and silent fan operation. With ample space for storage, strong build quality, and a focus on both cooling and aesthetics, the Shadow Base 800FX is a top choice for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts alike. If you want a sleek, high-performance case with premium features, this one is worth considering. Number 4. Corsair Obsidian Series 4000 XRGB. The Corsair Obsidian Series 4000 XRGB is a stunning mid-tower, a TX case that perfectly balances sleek design with top-notch performance. Priced around $130, it offers excellent value for builders looking to create a clean, high-performance rig with a touch of RGB flair. The tempered glass front and side panels give you a full view of your components while highlighting the vibrant Corsair ICU RGB lighting from the 3 pre-installed 120 mm fans. Beyond its eye-catching aesthetics, the 4000 XRGB excels in functionality. The case features Corsair's rapid root cable management system, making it incredibly easy to keep your build neat and organized. There's ample space for radiators up to 360 mm in the front and 280 mm on the top, ensuring superior cooling options for even the most demanding setups. Whether you're running a high-end GPU or a custom liquid cooling loop, this case has the room and flexibility to handle it all. Airflow is another strong point. The front panel's design, while minimalist, is optimized to allow for efficient ventilation without sacrificing style. Combine that with Corsair's ICUE software, and you have full control over fan speeds and lighting effects, making it easy to personalize your build. If you're after a stylish, functional case that doesn't break the bank, the Corsair Obsidian Series 4000 XRGB is a fantastic choice for both beginners and seasoned builders alike. Number 3. Phanteks XT Pro Ultra. The Phanteks XT Pro Ultra is a premium PC case designed for enthusiasts, gamers, and builders who demand exceptional airflow, expandability, and sleek aesthetics. Whether you're assembling a high-performance gaming rig or a powerhouse workstation, this case delivers versatility and top-tier cooling in a modern, stylish design. Built with a fully mesh front panel, the XT Pro Ultra ensures unrestricted airflow, keeping your system cool even under heavy workloads. The case supports up to 420 mAh radiators, making it ideal for high-end liquid cooling solutions. Pre-installed high-performance PWM fans provide efficient cooling right out of the box, while additional fan mounting options allow for even greater airflow customization. With support for EAT, XATX Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards, the XT Pro Ultra is built for maximum compatibility. It accommodates high-end GPUs up to 420 mm in length, ensuring enough room for the most powerful graphics cards. Tool-free drive bays and an advanced cable management system make installation effortless, keeping your build clean and organized. A tempered glass side panel showcases your components, while built-in ARGB lighting adds customizable visual flair. Integrated USB-C and high-speed I/O ports provide modern connectivity, making this case both functional and future-proof. With its high airflow design, spacious interior, and premium build quality, the Phanteks XT Pro Ultra is the perfect choice for anyone looking to build a cool, powerful, and visually stunning PC. Number 2. Li Lancool 207. The Li Lancool 207 is a compact yet powerful mid-tower case designed for builders who want style, efficiency, and flexibility in one sleek package. Priced at around $100, it offers excellent value for both beginners and experienced PC enthusiasts looking to create a clean, high-performance setup without breaking the bank. The Lancool 207 stands out with its minimalist design, featuring a tempered glass side panel that puts your components on full display. The front mesh panel isn't just for looks, it's optimized for superior airflow, ensuring your system stays cool even under heavy loads. It comes with two pre-installed 140 mAh RGB fans at the front and one 120 mAh fan at the rear, providing efficient cooling right out of the box. Despite its compact size, this case is highly versatile. It supports ATX motherboards, GPUs up to 400 mAh, and radiators up to 360 mAh in the front. The removable drive cages and clever cable management system make building and upgrading a breeze, keeping your rig looking clean and organized. One of the highlights of the Lancool 207 is its ARGB lighting customization, allowing you to sync your fans and components for a cohesive look using your motherboard software. If you're looking for a case that combines modern aesthetics, excellent cooling, and builder-friendly features all at an affordable price, the Li Lancool 207 is a fantastic choice for your next PC build. Number 1. Fractal Design North. The Fractal Design North redefines PC cases with a perfect blend of modern airflow, premium materials, and Scandinavian-inspired aesthetics. Designed for builders who want both style and performance, this mid-tower case combines natural wood accents, mesh panels, and high-quality steel for a look that complements any setup. At its core, the North is engineered for exceptional airflow, with a ventilated front panel and open interior layout that allows for efficient cooling. It comes equipped with two pre-installed 140 mAh aspect PWM fans, ensuring silent yet powerful cooling right out of the box. The case supports radiators up to 360 mm, making it ideal for air and liquid cooling enthusiasts alike. With support for ATX Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards, the North offers flexibility for a variety of builds. It accommodates GPUs up to 355 mm in length, while the spacious interior and hidden cable management system keep your build clean and organized. A tempered glass or ventilated steel side panel allows you to showcase your components, while USB-C and high-speed I/O ports provide modern connectivity. Whether you prefer a minimalist workstation or a high-performance gaming rig, the fractal design North offers the perfect balance of form and function. With its timeless design, exceptional airflow, and premium craftsmanship, the fractal design North isn't just a PC case. It's a statement piece for any setup.